the oxen and the cart. The cart is a very old cart from the 1860s in the Hereford-Random order. Primrose and plum, a ddwy and Tynnu trwy'r cart, normally used for corn or hay. It was purchased in 2010 and it has been restored with a new floor, otherwise it is completely original. And following the oxen, of course, we have the two Shire horses and the single furrow plough. Now, one of the matters that changed farming was the plough. Many years ago, the ploughs were wooden, but bit by bit, various companies managed to manufacture a plough with hard steel points. And as a result, of course, it brought about a huge change. But that change with the horses was coming into the ring behind us. And here we have the Belfry Queen, Renhines Belfry and Enghraifft. Here she is, from Ransom, Sims and Jeffries, 1931 vintage. One of the last steam engines built by that company. She worked in Southern Ireland for a long time and then was bought by Mr. Wilfred Mason and started restoration. Unfortunately, he died before it was completed, but we are so glad that Alan and Hugh, between